So it came about from the birth of the garden and really wanting to connect kids with learning outdoors and kind of learning beyond the walls of the classroom, but also to help them deepen their appreciation for local farms, local businesses that connect with farming, and also just to help increase their knowledge of what goes into growing crops, harvesting crops, caring for them, and overall stewardship for the environment. This is our 4th year doing it. We really like to involve every child in the school so that hopefully every student can have a hand in planting a seed in the garden. And we shift all of the food that we harvest to the garden, and our wonderful cafeteria manager helps feature that so that children can also learn about seasonal eating and eating healthy. So we really want to help children learn about as many different SOL standards as possible, but like I said, kind of beyond the classroom and in an authentic way that helps them really get their hands on their learning and in a wonderfully unique and personal way. So I think that we've done, I hope, a good job of connecting to a lot of science standards with soil, with root systems, with cycles of plant growth. We've also talked about stages, as far as stages of development with composting is also really important. And then we also are touching on things like native and non-native plants and perennials that grow in our area to help children understand the benefits and help that they give to plants, pollinators, and just the whole cycle. My hope for the event is that it continues to grow, no pun intended. I'd love for the children to be, like I said, less screen, more green, outside learning as much as possible. I'd love for the children to have a voice in helping us decide maybe how we could make it bigger, better, more student-centered for them, more fun for them, and just also hoping to get more local businesses and local farmers to join us so that we can really help the children learn really the roots of where all of their food come from.